Hey guys, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, and I'm located here in Los Angeles, California. I'm auditioning for the role of the host. So I'm located here in Los Angeles, California, which is very convenient, and I can do any type of hosting work in person, in studio. I have extensive teleprompter experience. For certifications, I'm a certified licensed real estate agent here in California. I'm also a certified ecotourism guide. For both ventures, I've done work on camera for self-promotion and also for sort of branded type content. Explaining complex type things is something I am good at. For example, I have a lot of clients who need to understand what it means to get pre-qualified or qualified for a loan in real estate. I have to break down terms in simple ways. I use a lot of illustrations. When I was on a TV show in the Bahamas, I had to take people on tours throughout different ecosystems and explain to them the different types of vegetation, flora and fauna, and of course fish and corals. Again, that was in person, so I could show people what they were seeing and also guide them as well. I have studio equipment here, as you can see, a couple of iPhones, stands. I do have a lav mic if needed, and I'm excited to be part of this. So thanks a lot for the opportunity. Take care.